How you doing? Welcome to another episode of the Metal Redneck. I've pulled out my canvas tent and I intend on sleeping overnight in my backyard. Home sweet home. Alright, let's check this place out. I don't have any of my gear in here yet, but I just want to show you what this tent is all about. And oh yeah, it's one of those old school ones. Have you ever seen a tent like this before? I'm sure if you're of the older generation, you definitely have, because this is the real canvas. This isn't some rinky-dink Canadian Tire, Walmart cheap thing. This is the real deal. This is the type of tent that everybody had back in the 60s and 70s, and I'm sure the 80s. Let me just get this door closed. Beautiful. Home sweet home. You're gonna have to pardon the noise. I do kind of live in a town, but no, the sounds of nature. Anyways, so this thing is from Campmate. That's probably a brand that isn't even a brand anymore, but I'm not too sure. So Campmate, you can tell by that logo, it is very old, but it's still in good shape. This thing was made in Scarborough, Ontario, kind of close to home, which is neat. Oh! So I don't know if you can see it on the floor and on the sides and on the ceiling. This used to be a 2-room tent, but my dad chopped it out because he said it's a pain in the butt, and I don't blame him. Open concept is a lot better. So how about I crack these windows open, we get more light, and then I will think about getting my gear in here, and then I'll think about getting something to eat. Sounds good. I look so weird without a beard. Just noticing that. Anyways. Okay, the way to open these windows is pretty self-explanatory. Gotta love that 70s plastic that's slowly shrinking and chipping away. I just gotta be careful with it and it won't break, but you just roll it up. That string over that one, you know the protocol. Tie this one off. Don't want to do a real knot, just want to do it very loose so you can untie it later. Let's do the back ones now. Yeah, same with this one. Smooth it out. Be careful rolling it. Old school. You don't build them like they used to, folks. One. Beautiful. That's how you do it. Okay. Just pull them away. So the original plan was to grab like a bunch of my camping gear, throw it in there, like, you know, my cot and one of my inflatable mats. But I'm in the backyard of my house. So why would I want to go into my camping room, bust all that out, just to have to roll it all back up when I got memory foam, Posturepeutic, no messing around. I think this video is officially turned into a glamping video. We're not camping anymore. We are officially glamping. Oh, Nelly. Whoa, boom. Oh. Oh, I'm telling you, this is illegal. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Camping should not be this comfy. Holy, I'm just gonna move out here. Sell my house. I'll just sleep on the lawn. Sweet. Okay, well, we have bedding. I got an even better idea. Because I was worried about room in here. Just fold this thing over. Oh, okay. This is a life sentence, if not capital punishment under the camping code. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of my gear in here. I'm gonna move my bed over there just so I can get some more room in here. Looks just like home. right on the forehead. Oh, yeah. I don't think I got him either. Little vampire. Okay, the gripe that's been haunting me since I started this video is this pit is too close to the tent. If I could just move it here, then we're golden. Okay, that instantly looks better. I wish I could show you the awkward position that this tripod is in, but it works. What I like to do is I like to get 2 medium-sized pieces of wood like that, so I have space under there. What I do next is I usually put my sticks on top. Good old dryer lint. Stick that in there. That easy. There we go. All right. So now that that's rocking, I literally don't have to do anything. I just gotta wait. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wait for it to do its thing. Beautiful. And if you're wondering where I got this bracelet, Dollarama. You got a whistle, you got a compass, you got your fire steel, you got some paracord, and a little rinky-dink knife. Fashionable, stylish, and will save your neck in a pinch. And yes, the compass works. And yes, our fire is burning. So right now, put on some on top. Fire making 101. See, there's some wildlife. Well, you can hear it. Oh, there it goes. Well, I'm gonna let this fire burn down a little bit more, and I think a hot dog is on the menu. Yeah, see, those leaves don't look good. When they're upside down, that usually means there's a possibility of rain or that it's going to rain. Okay, we got our coals, we got our hot dog. Alright, I think that thing's been cooking long enough. Heinz tomato ketchup. Real Heinz tomato ketchup, Ed? Nothing but the best. I love that movie. You can name that movie. Say it in the comments. And French is mustard. An American tradition, even though I'm a Canadian. Nothing beats a hot dog on a fire. Glamping, eh? Kinda like it. When you're 20 feet away from your house, you can camp pretty posh. Which has been getting me thinking, not really hard, but I might get some entertainment set up in there. Man, I learned to love hot dogs so much more because they're so expensive now. You have to enjoy every bite, otherwise you're wasting your money. Something that was made to be cheap. Just, oh well. Still good over a fire. That's the only way to cook them. Alright, I'm gonna finish this, relax a little bit, and like I said, I might get an entertainment system going on in there. So we got nothing in the machine right now. I'll show you what we're going to be watching tonight. Bam! Triple feature. Evil Dead 2 Dead by Dawn, and Army of Darkness. It's going to be a good night. Order. Starting to rain again.
Legend has it that it was written by the Dark Ones, Necronomicon Ex Mortis. Roughly translated, Book of the Dead.
Well, that's the situation. As you can see, we got no more TV or VCR. We are officially leaking. So I didn't want to ruin my TV or my VCR or any of my movies, so thought I'd play it safe. The rain has been on and off. But yeah, I'm sticking it out. That's how I roll. Now it's only leaking on the seams. Oh, right there. There's a drop. I also took out the memory foam mattress because I did not want it getting wet under any circumstances. What I have is 2 of these. Guaranteed I'm getting wet, but I'm not going to get drenched. And that's all I care about. Kind of bummed out though. I wanted to watch Army of Darkness, but I guess not. I got right to the end of Evil Dead 2 and then it was just... Now it wasn't like pouring in here, but it was dripping there, dripping there, dripping there, and I just didn't want to take any chances of getting my my equipment destroyed. If you look there, there's definitely leakage. It's coming from some of the seams here as well, along with there. Yeah, everything that's electronic is off the ground, and it's not getting dripped on. I wish I could watch my movie, but I'm still having fun. I'm not letting this bum me out, not in the slightest. Now imagine if you were doing this and you were 50 miles away. What are you going to do, leave? No. You adapt and you overcome. The funny thing is, I can just go in my house anytime, right? But I mark my words, I'm sleeping out here. I don't care how wet I get. Alright everybody, I think it's time for me to get curled up and go to sleep. Might get a little bit wet from the rain, but whatever. Good night. I don't want to wake up. Morning. It's about 10 o'clock. Still raining. It's a little wet, but little drops here and there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go inside and cook some breakfast. But yeah, I think that wraps it up for this video. If you like this content, you know what to do. And we'll catch you on the next one. As always, stay heavy.